Hello and welcome. This is the fourth part of the Boeing 747-8 Blender tutorial. Enjoy. Yeah, so we're gonna start editing this to look the way it should. I'm gonna select these edges. Whoopsie. I'm gonna select these edges right here, and I'm gonna hit F to add in a face, and then I'm going to do it again, F to add a face, and I'm just gonna do this for all of these, like so. And just F to add a face, F to add a face, F to add a face, F to add a face. And that's the end of the fin. The fin itself. I'm just gonna dissolve some of these vertices because they are not needed. Okay. Because right now it's pretty high detail, and it's mostly detail that we do not need. I'm just gonna scale this down a little. Alright. So now I'm just gonna hide these by hitting H. And I'm gonna go into this one, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna dissolve these vertices, these edges here first. And then I'm gonna F to face. And I'm gonna do that all around until we have all the nice faces we need. Select, F to face, select, and F to face. And there we go. Alright. We are looking good. And I'm going to do this one now. So I'll select all these, H to hide, go into here, and okay. F to face, F to face, F to face. Perfect. Alright. So now this is all looking pretty good. We just have this one to do now. Okay. Just get these all dissolved by hitting delete and then dissolve edges. And there we go. Now we have the rudder in, the yaw, and that looks pretty good. It's definitely looking like an airplane now. And now I'm gonna rename some of this stuff. Okay. Just got this all named so that you can identify the different objects. Like so. and yaw. Nah. Rudder. Okay. Yaw damper. And rudder trim. Perfect. And you might as well name your blueprints while you're at it. And so now we're going to start making the horizontal stabilizers, which is these things right here. And get rid of my stupid drawings. And we're going to hit Shift A and add in a cube, like this. And we're going to scale it down. And we're going to move it up like this. Kind of rotate it, like this. And get it looking good. And now, if I go into edit mode and select this face, oh, no, and then hit E to extrude it out, and then scale it down, and then hit G to grab. Then we have a, yet again, spiky 747. So I'm going to hit G and X and move it backwards, like this. About right here. And I'm going to select the face, and I'm going to hit G, X. Oh. This is getting... I'm going to select this one edge, and I'm going to hit G, X. And then... Okay. Okay, top view, G, X, and I'm going to move it like right here. And then with this one, I'm going to hit G, X, and move it right here. Then I'm going to hit G, X, move it into position. G, X, move it into position. And... right here as well, GX, move it into position, and GX, and move it into position. And then with this face right here, I'm going to hit E to extrude it inward, right here, and... that looks pretty good. So I'm going to hit Control R and move that right there. Then I'm going to select all of these faces, go into back view, and scale it down, and then rotate it. Very nice. Okay. So with this one, we're having a few problems here. Let's see, we have this gap. I'm going to select this edge right here, and I'm going to hit G and move it down, and now it looks good, which is exactly what we want. Kind of get this all aligned. Make sure there is nothing wrong. And that's the end of chapter 4. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, hit subscribe and like the video. And I hope to see you in chapter 5. Bye-bye.